Welcome to the next session of probability, sir. Let's go to the next question. A bag is having 5 white balls, 7 black balls. 2 balls are drawn. 2 balls are drawn at random. What is the probability that first question, both are white. Second question, both are black. Third question, they are of different colors. So there are 3 parts this question is having. In the exam only one question, one part only they'll ask you, sir. Just to clarify the concept or to get it properly, I am preparing 3 questions. Now let us see what is given. 5 white balls, 7 black balls, total 12 balls it is having. Bag is having. As far as the total number of cases are concerned, you concentrate more on that you have to concentrate on total number of balls only. 2 balls can be selected from 12. In 12 see 2 ways. 2 balls can be selected from 12 in 12 see 2 ways. 12 see 2. NCR can also be written as NC n minus R. 12 see 2 can be written as 12 see 10. Numerical difference of these two numbers is 2. 12 and 10 is 2. So in the numerator, starting with 12, you write the 2 numbers in decreasing order. This is 66. Total number of cases are calculated as 66. Now let us go first question, favorable cases. Both are white in color. How many white balls it is having? 5. Just to concentrate on white balls. 2 white balls can be selected from 5. In 5 see 2 ways. 5 see 2 is equal to 5 see 3. 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. 10. There are 10 ways you can select 2 white balls from 5. Probability is equal to favorable cases to total number of cases. 10 divided by 66 is the answer. Look at the question number 2. Both are black. 2 black balls can be selected. 2 black balls can be selected from 7. In 7 see 2 ways. This is equal to 7 see 5. 7 into 6 by 1 into 2. This is 21. Probability is equal to favorable cases by total number of cases. Favorable cases 21. Total number of cases 66. Total number of cases 66. Note down this. See the third question, sir. They are of different colors. So one white ball can be selected. One white ball and one black ball can be selected in 5C1 into 7C1 ways. So this is 5 into 7, 35. Probability is equal to favorable cases divided by total number of cases. 35 divided by 66. This is the answer to the given question. Now see the next question. A bag is having 5 white balls and 7 black balls. 2 balls are drawn, one after another. One after another with replacement. Second without replacement. These two cases I'll discuss separately. Find the probability. Find the probability that both are white in color. Second one, both are black in color. Third one, first white and second black. You have to calculate the probability of drawing a white ball first time and a black ball second time. These are the two cases. Let us see with replacement. With replacement. First trial. First trial. Bag is having 5 white and 7 black balls. 12 balls are there. Total number of cases, 1 ball is selected from 12. 1 ball is selected from 12. In 12C1 ways, so 12. Favorable cases, 1 white ball can be selected from 5. 1 white ball can be selected from 5. In 5C1 ways, so this is 5. Probability is equal to 5 by 12. After that, the ball is replaced. Second trial, there is no change in the bag. 5 white and 7 black, 12 balls are there. Total number of cases 12. Favorable cases 5. Probability of probability of white 5 by 12. So required probability is equal to white in first draw into white in second draw. 5 by 12 into 5 by 12. 25 divided by 144. This is first question, sir. See the second one, both are black. First trial, bag is having 5 white and 7 black, total 12 balls are there. Total number of cases 12C1. Total number of cases 12C1. Favorable cases for black 7C1. one black ball can be selected from 7 in 7C1 ways. Probability is equal to 7 by 12. Second trial. Ball is replaced. Ball is replaced. So number of balls will remain same. Total number of cases 12, favorable cases 7. Probability is equal to 7 by 12. So required probability is equal to first time black ball 7 by 12. Second time also black ball 7 by 12. 49 divided by 144. 49 divided by 144. Okay, note down the solution, sir. Look at the third part. First trial. Five white and 7 black, total 12 balls are there. So total number of cases 12C1 12. Favorable cases is equal to 5. Probability of drawing a white ball first time 5 by 12. Ball is replaced. So second trial no change. Bag is having 5 white, 7 black, 12 balls. Total number of cases 12, favorable cases 7. This time you have to draw a black ball. This time you have to draw a black ball. So probability of drawing a black ball second time is 7 by 12. Required probability is 5 by 12 into 7 by 12. 35 divided by 144. 35 divided by 144 is the answer to the second part of the question. So with the replacement, 3 parts are over. Same problem, this time I'll solve without replacement. Before that, you note down the third part solution also. See, the solutions are without replacement. Without replacement, first problem. First trial. Bag is having 5 white and 7 black balls. 12 balls. 5 white and 7 black balls. So 12 balls are there. Total number of cases 12. Favorable cases 5 because I want white ball in both the cases. So probability of drawing a white ball first time 5 by 12. Now sir, this time first ball which is taken from the back is not replaced. So look at the second trial. When the ball is not replaced, it is having 4 white and 7 black balls. Total 11 balls only. Total number of cases 11. favorable cases are 4 because it is having 4 white balls. So probability is equal to 4 by 11. Now required probability. Required probability means both are white in color. First draw will give a white ball, second draw will also give a white ball. So this is 5 by 12 into 4 by 11, 5 by 32. This is the answer to first part. Let us see second part. First trial. Bag is having 5 white and 7 black, total 12 balls. Total number of cases 12, favorable cases 7. From 12 balls, 1 ball can be selected, 12C1, 12C1 is 12. From 7 black balls, 1 black ball can be selected in 7C1 ways, this is 7. So probability is equal to 7 by 12. Second trial. 5 white and 6 black balls, total 11 balls. Total number of cases 11, favorable cases 6. So probability is equal to 6 by 12, 11. Required probability is equal to 7 by 12, 6 by 11. It will go 2 times, 7 by 22. It is 7 by 22. Let us go to the third trial. That is third question. First trial. It is having 5 white balls, 7 black balls, total 12. Total number of cases 12, favorable cases 5. Probability is equal to 5 by 12. Probability is equal to 5 by 12. Second trial. 4 black white balls it is having now. 7 black balls. Total 11 balls it is having. Total number of cases 11 are. Favorable cases are 7. So probability is equal to 7 by 11. Required probability is equal to 7 by 11. 5 by 12. First I want white. 5 by 12 into 7 by 11. 35 divided by 130. So, first part to solution. Second part to solution and the third part solution. Note down. A bat is having 9 balls, of which 2 are red, 3 blue and 4 black. 3 blue and 4 black. 3 balls are drawn at random. Three balls are drawn at random. Find the probability that they are of same color. They are of same color. Let us see the question, sir. It is having 2 red balls, 3 blue balls and 4 black balls. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9 balls. For calculation of total number of cases, we are not interested about the color combination. Our concentration is only on how many balls the bag is having. The bag is having 9 balls, sir. Total number of cases. 3 balls can be selected from 9. In 9C 3 ways. 3 balls can be selected from 9 in 9C 3 ways. This is also 9C6. Numerical difference is 3. So 9 into 8 into 7 by 1 into 2 into 3. 84. 3 fours are 12. 12 into 7, 84. Now, I want they are of same color. They are of same color. Now only 2 red balls are there and 3 balls are selected. It means the selected balls cannot be red in color. This point again I am repeating, sir. The bag is having only 2 red balls, but we are selecting 3 balls from it. Therefore, the selected balls cannot be red in color. So, forget about red. You have to concentrate blue or black. The selected balls may be blue or black. The selected balls may be blue or black. Now let us see. 3 blue balls can be selected from 3 in 3C 3 ways. This is 3 factorial. NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. 3C3 is equal to 3 factorial by 3 factorial by 0 factorial into 3 factorial. 1 by 1, 1. So this is 1. Now, 3 black balls can be selected from 4 in 4C 3 ways. 4C 3 numerical difference is 1. Total 5 cases we have, sir. So probability is equal to favorable cases by total number of cases. 5 divided by 84. 5 divided by 84. That is the answer to the given question. Okay, sir. Next. A bag is having 8 red and 5 black balls. A bag is having 8 red and 5 black balls. Two successive drawings of three balls are made from the bag without replacement. Find the probability that first draw will give 3 red balls and the second 3 black balls. First draw will give 3 red balls and the second one 3 black balls. Okay, sir. What is given in the question? 3 balls. First 3 balls are selected from the bag and they are not replaced. Again 3 more balls are taken. That is the meaning. How many balls are there? It is 8 red balls are there and 5 black balls. 8 red balls it is having, 5 black balls. Total 13 balls are there. First calculate total number of cases. 3 balls can be selected. 3 balls can be selected from 13. In 13 see 3 ways. 13 see 10. Now favorable cases are first trial. I want first red. So 3 red balls can be selected from 8. In 8 see 3 ways. Probability of red is equal to 8C3 divided by 10. 13C10. 8C3 divided by 13C10. Now second trial. Bag is having now 5 red balls. Already 3 balls are withdrawn and they are not replaced. And it is having 5 black balls. Total 10 balls. Total number of cases 10C3. Same way you have to write. Favorable cases 5 black balls 5C3. This time it is black in color. Specified with which color you want. Probability is equal to 5C3 divided by 10C3. Now required probability is equal to 8C3 by 13C3 into 5C3 divided by 10C3. Okay, note down the solution. Now let us see next question. A bag is having 8 red and 5 black balls. 3 balls are drawn from it, one after another, without replacement. One after another without replacement. Find the probability that they are alternative in color. Find the probability that they are alternative in color. Now sir, solution. Now what is given in the question? 3 balls are drawn one after another without replacement. But color combination is not given. So there may be a possibility of drawing the balls in this order. Red ball is drawn first, black ball is drawn next, red ball is drawn. The color combination of the balls taken from the bag may be red, white, red, black, red, or white, red, white. Let us see case 1. Red, black, red. First trial. 8 red it is having 5 black, total 13. Probability of drawing red is equal to 8 by 13. Second trial. Now it is having 7 red and 5 black, so 12 balls are there. Probability of drawing black, given first one is red. It's a conditional probability. What does it mean actually writing this way? The first ball drawn from the bag is red in color and you are calculating the probability of drawing a black ball second time. This is how many black balls are there? 5. Total 12. Third trial. It is having 7 red, 4 black. Total 12 balls, 11 balls. Probability of drawing red, given that they are red and black. First one red, black. This is equal to 7 divided by 11. 7 red balls are there. What is the meaning of this? Third time you are drawing a ball. What is given? You know, first time a red ball is drawn, second time a black ball is drawn. Again I am repeating this point, sir. You want to calculate the probability of drawing a red ball third time, given first time a red ball is drawn and second time a black ball is drawn. So required probability is 8 by 13 into 5 by 12 into 7 by 11. Make it 1. This is first case. Let us go to case 2, sir. White, red, white in color. So first trial. Bag is having 8 red and 5 black. Total 13 balls. Total 13 balls it is having. Probability of drawing a white ball. How many? Sorry, this is black, red, black, black. This is 5 by 30. Second trial. 12 balls only. Black ball is already drawn. One black ball is already withdrawn. So 4 left over. 8 red. Probability of drawing a red ball second time. Given first one is a black ball. This is equal to 8 by 12. Third trial. 7 red, 4 black. 11 balls. Probability of drawing a black, given first one is black and second one is red. First one is black, second one is red. This is first, this is second. So this is equal to 4 by 11. Probability is equal to 5 by 30, 8 by 12, 4 by 11. This is two. Required probability is equal to 1 plus 2. Adding 1 and 2, you will get the answer. That is 8 by 30 into 5 by 12 into 7 by 11 plus 5 by 30 into 8 by 12 into 4 by 12. Adding that, you can simplify with the calculator, you will get the answer. Okay, sir. Next question. A bag is having 12 balls. Of which 3 are red. Five balls are drawn at random. Five balls are drawn at random. What is the probability that out of five balls, 3 are red. 3 are red. This is my question. Let us see the solution. It is having 3 red balls. So 9 others. Any color combination, no problem. Total 12 balls it is having. Total 12 balls it is having. Now total number of cases 12C3. Sorry, 5 balls are drawn. It is 12C5. So this is 12C5. I will keep it as it is. Now total number of cases are over, sir. Now look at this, 5 balls are drawn. Of this you want a 3 red. Out of 5 balls withdrawn from the bag, you want a 3 red. When 3 are red means remaining 2 from others. 2 from others. So favorable cases. 3 red balls can be selected from 3 in 3C3 ways. 3 red balls can be selected from 3 in 3C3 ways. 2 others. How many others are there? 9. So 9C. Probability is equal to 3C3 into 9C2 divided by 12C5. 3 plus 2, 5 balls, 5 balls. Okay, sir? Note down the solution. Next question. A bag is having 5 white, 3 red and 2 black balls. 3 balls are drawn at random. 3 balls are drawn at random. What is the probability that what is the probability that the 3 balls are white in color? The 3 balls are white in color. Now look at this, 5 white balls it is having, 3 red balls it is having, 2 black balls it is having. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 balls it is having. Now what you are doing, sir? 3 balls you are taking at a time. Total number of cases 10C3. And you want all the 3 balls are white in color. Favorable cases. From 5 white balls, 3 balls can be selected in 5C3 ways. So probability is equal to 5C3 divided by 10C. 5C3 divided by 10C. Okay. Note down the solution, sir. Okay. So remaining part of the probability I'll take up in the next session, sir. Till that, do some good practice. Thank you.